In this video, we are going to look at monohybrid crosses. So, an example. A man is heterozygous for brown eyes and has a child with a woman who's heterozygous for brown eyes. What percentage of their children will have blue eyes? So, important things to note. The allele for brown eyes is dominant and blue is recessive. So dominant should be done in capital letters, where recessive should be done in lowercase letters. To express this allele, we'll use a capital B, which is for brown, which means that it's dominant. We'll also use the lowercase b, which is for blue, which means that it's recessive. So, the structure of these questions. 1 is the parent phenotype. 2 is parent genotype. 3 is parent's gametes. 4 is Punnett square. 5 is offspring genotype or genetic makeup. And the last thing is 6, offspring phenotype. So we'll start with the father and mother. We both know that they have brown eyes from the question, and we both know that they're heterozygous. Heterozygous means that they have one dominant and one recessive allele. So both of them have a capital B and lowercase b. We split these into their individual gametes. So BB, so we separate them, and then we place them into a Punnett square. Then we can look at all the possible arrangements for these gametes. So the two larger case B's will give you BB, capital B's. Then it could be capital B, small b. Could be, again, capital B, small b. Or finally, two lowercase b's. So what do these actually represent? So the first two capital B's. This is homozygous dominant. The two capital B small b or capital B small b is heterozygous. And then the one lowercase b is homozygous recessive. A reminder, if there's a capital B or a capital letter, that's the gene that will always be expressed because it is the dominant gene. So, because these are both capital B's, brown is the only color that can be expressed. For the heterozygous, you have a brown allele and a blue allele. However, the brown will be expressed. Only in the homozygous recessive, when you have two lowercase b's, will blue be expressed. So, we can learn that 3/4 of the offspring's physical appearance or phenotype will have brown eyes, where 1/4 will have blue eyes. So when it comes to the actual percentage, 25% of the children will have blue eyes.